Oh man, I just got this guy. But I can't hook up anything. Everything's USB C. Well, I just got the answer. What's up guys, welcome back to Rick's Reviews. I got a new product in here for you from Amazon. Well, from Amazon, from another company. This is called the ZMUIPNG. I don't know how you say it. ZUMIPNG? I don't know, one of those weird companies. Anyway, this is a dock, a USB-C dock. This is a USB-C dongle, and this guy features two USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, and two SD card slots. So that takes care of all the issues from the MacBook. So let's open this guy up. Alright guys, so I just picked this up today from Amazon, just came in. Let's open it up. I don't know why, but the box looks kind of used. I don't know if that's a thing. Maybe they returned it and they just threw it back in the box. I don't know. But anyways, here it comes. It's in this little plastic packaging here. And there it is. Wow, that's pretty cool. I like that. So ZMUIPNG. And again, this one has a HDMI out, two USB 3s, and an SD card slot. So let's see how it looks plugged in. Alright guys, let's see if it'll pick it up. I like the gold connector on the side there. There we go. And I like the fact that it's space gray, so it matches the MacBook. So I'm gonna use this trans flash card here. Maybe I'm putting it wrong. Yeah, it's upside down. There you go. And oh, nice, it's already there. So let's open it up. Do I have anything on there? I do, with some old stuff. So let's check out with Blackmagic if it's any fast or any good. So let's zoom in here. Can you guys see? Hopefully. There you go. Let me select the drive. Alright, let's start it out. So of course with the SD card it's gonna be real slow, especially these tiny ones. This one's some crappy brand. So write speed of 11 and 39 read. So that's because of the card. The card is no good. So alright, let's stop that test. Now let's take this card out. Let's eject it. Now let's try a USB 3.0 device. See how fast that goes. Alright, so I got a USB 3 device now. This is a piece of shit B connector hard drive. So we're gonna try it out. Let's hook it up, and it's working on USB 3. It still hasn't picked it up. Alright, there it is. So there we go. Let's open her up. This is where I have the majority of our videos, our old videos, copies. So let's do that and start the speed test. So this hard drive is about maybe 100 megs per second, and it shows it's at about 100 megabytes read, and I mean write, and about 113, 110 read. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all for this USB dongle. Again, this is the ZMUIPNG. I gotta try out the HDMI. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. If you guys didn't, then hit the thumbs down button. I don't care. But I hope you guys like this one. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can pick one up from Amazon. I believe they're $27.99, so it's a good deal. Very good deal. Yeah, let me give you a close-up shot of it. So the HDMI port, USB 3, the top, and the connector. Again, this is a gold colored. I don't know if it's plated with gold. I doubt it, but it's a nice touch. Nice touch for this device, and I'm sure I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna learn to use it, and yeah, it's gonna be it for this video. All right, guys. So again, link in the description below if you guys need it for your new MacBook Pro. Spec'd out. Go get one. Get one of these. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.